Do you want to know how to find video ideas that actually gets views on a new channel? You do? Good. Because in this video, I'm going to show you a really simple hack I found that will make finding video ideas like that as easy as... Look, it's just going to make it easier, okay? If you recall over on this video, I went through starting a faceless YouTube channel from scratch. And now in this video today, I'm going to pick the next video idea for that channel. To do that, I'm going to go through what I believe is the best process to pick a video idea that actually gets views on a brand new YouTube channel. And picking these ideas are really important because creating compelling content that resonates with your audience. I mean, that's what it's about. Without those fresh and exciting ideas, you risk losing viewership, friendship. You're my boy, Blue! And that ultimately affects your confidence. I mean, your channel's growth. Which is why with every video that I create, I try to put in the effort of creating exciting and somewhat unique ideas, for which you should do the same, relevant to your niche, of course. So the first thing that I did in this hack is I clicked this like button on every video. You could try it on the video today, just like this. And the other first thing I did was to research the niche. I needed to find out what that type of audience is interested in and the type of videos that they're searching for. And doing this actually gave me a better idea of what topics to cover and what kind of video ideas would resonate with them. So instead of starting from scratch again, I'll be picking up where I already decided on a topic, which was basically about paying off loans. Student loans, to be more specific. Because it's a more focused keyword, it would actually be easier to rank on YouTube as a brand new channel. So to get that started, I'd search for the topic from that video and see what shows up for paying off student loans. Based on what I'm seeing here so far, I'm not seeing a whole lot of videos that has faceless channels. However, it is a good sign because I'm seeing that there are a lot of views for this topic, like these first two videos here. But what information is even more useful for me here is even these first few channels has millions or hundreds of thousands of subscribers. There's a channel in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th position, that only has 2,000 subscribers, but yet it's ranking for this search term, which is a good sign. And of course, what I like to do here is look at some of the videos that are ranking, really trying to understand why some of these videos got so many views, and repeat that process for those that seem really interesting to me, like this one. And now after actually looking at a few more of these videos, I feel like I have a little better understanding of what people are looking for in these types of videos. Which takes us to the next point of taking that initial video idea and getting now titles around what seems to be what's working over on YouTube. And what I like to use to get that content auto-generated here is my friend Jasper. I do have a link in the description where you can check this out for free. If you decide to do that and log in, your dashboard looks like this with all of these templates to choose from. But the one that we're going to use right now, or the video category, where in addition to video script, hooks, introductions, the one we're most interested right now is video titles, where we do want to create engaging, click-worthy titles for your videos that will rank on YouTube. So what I'll do is make sure and copy that search term that we can possibly rank for, bring it over to Jasper, paste it right here. Keyword we want to rank for is student loans. And I'd prefer to get several options to choose from, several variations. So I might choose like 6. Then just hit generate. And just like that, we have a bunch of ideas. I mean, I could be wrong, but this looks like a lot more than 6. I think what it did was give me 6 groups of multiple titles. I guess I could have just clicked 1 here. Anyway, you already have plenty to choose from. There was literally no wait time in getting that. The truth is you can possibly get similar results with ChatGPT, but Jasper AI just has way more templates. And I actually prefer a lot of the answers that I get with Jasper AI. So again, it's the first link in the description below if you decide to try this out. Now once I got some potential video ideas here from Jasper, it was time to do some keyword research. I'm sure there are a lot of keyword tools out there and I tried a lot of them. But TubeBuddy just always seems to have the edge for this particular function. Using the TubeBuddy Keyword Explorer, this helpful tool here that you can also find with a link in the description below, which you can really start and use for free as long as you like. Here we're actually going to get an idea of how much people are actually searching for that particular term, paying off student loans, along with some other ideas that you can actually use if you wanted to throw back over here in Jasper and get other related ideas. But let's keep things simple over here. We're choosing this, paying off student loans. And you'd see that not only this is trending on YouTube and on Google, but it has 70,000 monthly searches. Understandably so, a lot of people are interested in paying off their student loans. And what you can also see here is what the competition looks like. It's not horrible, but it's also not bad. But I think we can do better for the competition. Since this is a fairly new channel that we're going to be creating, we would prefer this a little bit higher up here in the closer to the green. And based on the titles in Jasper, these how-tos, I'm seeing a lot of the how-tos in the results for the term paying off student loans. What I'll do is modify this keyword now, this search term, and put how to pay off. And simply pick one of these suggestions, these search predictions which are based on actual results. Perhaps this one, how to pay off student loans quickly. Perfect. This one has really good monthly searches. But what's more important is it's less competition and it is still trending. And of course I did that process with several other related keywords, but you get the point. Now there is another way that you could use TubeBuddy here for video ideas after you choose your overall topic. I think this is the hack that you might be looking for. Now this works best with starting with a broad keyword like student loans. Now remember, the competition for this is high, but it has a lot of monthly searches. Either way, while these are related search terms here, check this tab out. There's YouTube, Google, and there are video topics. Video topics, which are a lot of different videos that you could make for your YouTube channel. You could just simply pick one, do the research in it. If you feel like it's one that you need, take this to now make your video title more appealing, paste it over into a site like Jasper, and get some titles that are engaging, click-worthy, that will rank on YouTube. That video topic that said, how do I pay off my student loans? We just got these options to choose from. How to pay off student loans in 5 years or less. How do I pay off $24,000 in student loans in 18 months? I mean, I would click this video that says the only way to pay off your student loans. Basically, you just really need to pick one that seems logical to start with, as well as if it is an overall good keyword to start building content on. Once you've decided, congrats. Save that hack in a folder somewhere. Then prepare for a secret way of creating the entire YouTube script in record time. And to do that next step, go watch this video to find out how.